regarding, uh, first of all, he this video is regarding to learn cybersecurity for beginners who cannot any must be any knowledge of where you can learn cybersecurity fundamentals and solving the labs and what vulnerabilities are covered in our cybersecurity video. Okay, first we are Cisco Networking Academy. Okay, these are the all are free. Okay, you can learn and practice for these websites are learning and practice both are combined. Okay, junior cybersecurity analysis. There are in the Cisco website. There are many learnings of. Okay, we can explore categories. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the cybersecurity threat management, endpoint security. Networking is the basic of networking. OS OS is computer hardware basics, operating system basics, data science, programming as well as Python programming, JavaScript for a JavaScript, and practice for getting started with the Cisco packet tracer. Anything available in this platform. Okay, and then next platform was the CyberRay. CyberRay is the hacking means learning a cybersecurity and go to the learning page and we see the Kali Linux fundamentals. You can use the you can learn Kali Linux fundamentals. First of all, you enter the cybersecurity world. You first must be a knowledge of Linux and Linux fundamentals and Linux how commands work. Okay, so there are many courses. CompTIA Security Plus was learning and CompTIA Security Plus very important for in cybersecurity, penetration testing and ethical hacking, as well as you can learn this and choose the career path. Career path SOC analysis and collection and courses. Virtual labs are available in this. Okay, here is the currently unavailable future. This is our future. Okay, I see the some free labs for you can go to the labs and crack the labs. Go to the Hack the Box. Hack the Box is the learning platform for the hacking and penetration testing. You can use the machines and labs and challenges you can solve in this. Here, these are the free, all free are labs for a learning. Okay, for a learning, here is the labs are free, and then machines. Here are the machines. You can choose the machine like this, and then connect your VPN with your network and play it and find the flag and submit the flag. Okay, here are the challenges. Many challenges are available in the Hack the Box. These are the hardware challenges, crypto challenges, web challenges, mobile challenges. Many of these challenges available in the 20 web challenges, 11 many challenges are available. Okay, uh, fourth one was the learn Try Hack Me platform. Try Hack Me is the platform who can learn networking, cybersecurity fundamentals, networking fundamentals, Linux fundamentals, red teaming, any of these available. Here is the learning path: red teaming, introduction, cybersecurity, junior penetration testing, and cyber defense. Here are the all the means modules are you can cover: bug shoot, metasploit, Nmap. Nmap is our networking tool. You can learn firstly. Okay, here are the modules and practice session. You can to there are many CTFs available in this TryHackMe platform. There are medium, hard, easy, any any practice you can choose. Okay, then next we are go to the hack spelling. This website is learning about vulnerabilities, what vulnerabilities is available in websites and mobile application. Okay, uh, this website is useful for a pen tester, web pen tester, application pen tester. These are the work on all. Okay, these websites are learn vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, common execution, clickjacking, cross-site scripting, forgery, reflected accesses, what vulnerabilities are available in websites and mobile. Okay, you can learn from here and sign in for free. And here you can OAuth top 10 vulnerabilities you can learn here. OAuth top 10 2021. Here broken access control, cryptographic failures, injections, insecure design, security misconfiguration, vulnerability and outdated components, all are covered in this website. You can learn for free. Okay, and then you can practice for this. uh, First you learn and then practice, then exploit. Okay, so first step was clear. You can learn 4 and 5 platforms. You can learn any vulnerabilities and any cybersecurity components. Okay, networking as well as Linux fundamentals, Kali Linux fundamentals. Okay, all are clear. Then you can uh, then you can solve the CTF like RootMe CTF. RootMe was a platform who can provide your challenges like a CTF. You can find a flag in a app script, app system, cracking, cryptographic, forensics, networking, programming, and all are available in this. Okay, click on web client. I show example. Okay, these are the all the name of the lab. Okay, you can choose the lab and find a CTF on it and submit the flag. You can encourage your skills in these websites to find CTFs. Okay, then we are getting the Pico CTF. These platform are as well as provide same as a RootMe. Okay, you can choose any CTFs and solve it. Okay, here I show the example of this. Okay, here was the CTF challenges, and here is the description. You can launch instance and then find the flag and submit here a flag. Okay, then next we are hacker 101. Hacker 101 CTF is provide you to bug bounty. Hacker 101 is a bug bounty program. You can find a bug in a website and earn rewards, and you you uh, you get the private invitation from any company to uh, for what for a kind of things you can these CTFs are sold in one by one. You can solve and earn points. 100 points you are eligible for invitation for private program. Your company was sent to you a private bug bounty program. You can find the bugs and earn rewards. Okay, as your bug bounty vulnerability, you can solve the vulnerability of this website. You can earn rewards. Okay, these are the many. CTFs are available to find the to encourage your skills. Okay, and Valhub was the machines, virtual machines. These are the provide the vulnerable machines to solve the vulnerable machines in get into the machine. How you can get into the machine? Here is the practice for a machine. Uh, Simple example of this Valhub. You you download